Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys want to see how I make my hair mask that promotes hair growth, please stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so right now I'm just pretty much showing you all the products we need to make this hair mask, and at the same time I put on the screen the benefits of all these products that we're going to be using in this hair mask. So yeah, you guys, so make sure you have all these products. But first thing first, we're going to cut open our avocado, and for my hair mask I did use 2 avocados. But yeah, we're just gonna pretty much scrape the green stuff out of the middle of the avocado, and once we're done scraping that out of the middle, we're going to pretty much put everything into the blender and mix everything up. Okay guys, so I put my blender here so we can blend everything. So I'm going to put 2 bananas in my blender, and yeah, I know my bananas look old, you guys, but that's when they're at their best. So again, I put 2 bananas in there. My avocado oil, I put 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. Then I put 2 eggs, and I put 3 tablespoons of coconut oil in my hair mask mix. And then afterwards, I believe I put the honey. So I put 3 tablespoons of honey into the mix. Okay guys, so for the black castor oil, again I put about 3 tablespoons of black castor oil into my mix. And you guys, once I have put everything into the mix, I then blend it all up. Okay guys, so I also want to mention that you don't have to put the exact amount that I put in my hair mask. I make this much because I store some away, whatever that I don't use on my hair. So if you want a smaller amount, just diminish it by 1 or 2. So if I use 2 avocados, you can just use 1 with 1 banana. So you can just diminish everything that I use to make a smaller amount. Okay guys, so now that we're done mixing it, we're gonna begin to put it into our hair. So my hair is wet. This is technically was not my wash day, but this will be like a deep conditioner for me. So right now I'm just kind of gonna part my hair into 4 sections so that I can apply my hair mask to my hair. It's just much easier for me to section off my hair and be able to work the solution through my hair when it's in sections. Okay guys, so we're gonna start in the back, and we're just gonna start applying this all into that section, you guys. So first thing first, I just kind of just apply it throughout the hair, and while I'm applying it, I kind of massage it into the hair. But to get it all in there and close to the scalp, I do go section by section and pour into the hair to make sure that I am getting it all in and on the scalp as well. And then later I go in and make sure I get it on the edges. And then once I'm done applying it, I just pretty much just tie it away and repeat that step throughout the whole head. Okay guys, so now that we're done applying the hair mask throughout the whole head, I am going to go back in and detangle my hair. You guys, it doesn't matter what I'm doing with my hair when I'm giving it a deep conditioner. I always detangle my hair. Always detangle my hair. And you guys, when I detangle my hair, I do not get a lot of shedding when it comes to my hair. If you're detangling your hair and a lot of your hair is coming out, then that's a problem. You have to figure out what's going on and why your hair is coming out. But usually when I detangle my hair, I do not get a lot of shedding when it comes to my hair. Okay guys, so once I'm done detangling my hair, I put like a plastic cap on my head to let this like solution sit in my hair, and I usually let it sit in for about an hour before I wash it out. And once I wash it out, you guys, I just pretty much come back and I blow dry my hair. And you guys, look at my curls. Look how the solution had my curls popping. My curls are so popping right now. But yeah, so I love how it defined my curls. But once I'm done that, you guys, I'm gonna just go in and blow dry my hair. And yeah, I'm gonna pretty much just section it off and blow dry it. So to blow dry my hair, I'm going to use this Etay Butter Shine heat protector. I always use this. I have used this in previous videos, and it just kind of protects my hair from the heat, because believe it or not, that's blow dry my hair is pretty much the only heat that I have put on my hair for months. I have not even flat ironed my hair in months, which I'm totally shocked by, because I always flat iron my hair, but blow dry my hair is the only heat that I actually put on my hair. Alright guys, so I'm finishing up blow drying my hair. I dried one side on camera and the other side off camera, but here is the finished look of my hair now that I'm done blow drying it. And you guys, I am so happy that I'm starting to take care of my hair a little better, because now my hair seems like it's starting to grow, it's starting to get thicker. And yeah, you guys, I'm like super happy about my hair right now. My scalp is starting to look better. Like months ago, my scalp was like super flaky, super dry, and I was complaining about my hair not growing, but it's starting to grow now. My scalp is starting to look healthier. So yeah, you guys, definitely, if you're anything like me, definitely start taking care of your hair, because it will, grow once you take care of it. But you guys, I thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know down in the comment section how you like my hair mask. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.